Hi, I'm Lindsay. I'm the creative coordinator here at Bisque Imports. Today we're going to be making this retro Christmas station wagon ornament. Here are the supplies that you're going to need to create this project. You're going to need a flat ball ornament, light blue acrylic, violet acrylic, Hooker's green acrylic, Mars black acrylic, cadmium red acrylic, dark ultramarine acrylic, titanium white acrylic, gold acrylic, a 16-ounce resin kit, Surreal transfer paper, station wagon template, disposable condiment cups, total of 3, a detail liner brush, a number 2 round brush, paint palette, hot glue gun, twine, beads, glitter, greenery or bottle brush tree, any leftover craft or Christmas supplies that you have, scissors, and masking tape. Cut out a rectangle around the station wagon template so that it will fit on the flat ball ornament. Then cut out the same size piece of Surreal transfer paper. Then take the template and tape that down on top of the Surreal paper in the center of the flat ball ornament. Take a pencil and firmly trace the station wagon. Once completely traced, carefully peel up on the edge of the template and the transfer paper to make sure that the design appears clearly on the ornament. Next, pour some light blue, dark ultramarine, violet, and titanium white acrylic on your palette. Using the detail liner brush, outline around the station wagon with light blue. Then take the number 2 round brush and paint the entire top half of the ornament with light blue. While the paint is still wet, add some violet and dark ultramarine streaks in the sky and blend together with your brush. To lighten up the sky, use titanium white. Let dry. On the bottom half, under the tires and down, paint 2 coats of titanium white. Then, using Hooker's green, paint a few evergreen trees in the background and around the station wagon. Next, paint the body of the station wagon with cadmium red. Make sure to paint around the windows and let dry. Then take a small amount of titanium white and mix it with a dot of Mars black to create gray. Use this paint inside the windows and the rims of the station wagon. You may need to use the detail liner brush for this. Let the paint dry. Next, use the gold acrylic to outline the windows of the station wagon. Also use the gold to paint the details on the fenders of the station wagon. Then use Mars Black to fill in the tires and outline the entire station wagon. Also with your detail liner brush, add black outlines on the paneling on the doors and add door handles and dots on the rims. Go ahead and add a few white dots for snow falling in the sky in the background. Let dry. Once the paint is dry, use the hot glue gun and glue twine around the entire edge of the ornament. This will act as a barrier to keep the resin inside. Make sure to use a decent amount of hot glue evenly around the edge and press the twine down firmly so there is no space in between the ornament and the twine. Glue a small piece of twine under the cap part of the ornament to create a circle. This will keep the resin in the circular part of the ornament. That way the resin will not clog up the hole to hang up the ornament. Next, add your greenery or bottle brush tree to the top of the station wagon. You can use a dot of hot glue to hold it in place. Add some clear beads over top of the snowy ground. You can use a clean paintbrush to scoot the beads where you want them to stay. It is time to prepare the resin. For this ornament, you will only need about 1/2 ounce of resin. Please read the detailed instructions that come with your resin before starting this process. There is a 1-to-1 ratio using both the hardener and the resin. Pour an equal amount of hardener into one disposable cup and an equal amount of resin into the other disposable cup. Then taking your popsicle stick, start mixing the hardener. Mix this for about a minute, then pour the hardener and the resin together in a larger disposable cup. Stir the mixture thoroughly with a popsicle stick for about 2 to 3 minutes. Once the resin is ready, take your popsicle stick and start drizzling the resin over top of the beads and tree on top of the station wagon. Resin is self-leveling, so no need to worry about high and low spots. Keep drizzling resin around the ornament until it is covered entirely. Next, take glitter and lightly dust some over the desired areas of the ornament. It will automatically seep into the resin. Let the resin dry completely. This takes about 12 to 24 hours. As long as you put a good barrier around the ornament with hot glue and twine, there shouldn't be any resin seeping over the edges. Finally, once your ornament has completely dried, add some twine to hang up this dazzling retro-inspired ornament on your tree and enjoy. And that is how you create this awesome ornament. You can actually use any sort of flat ornament that we carry here at Bisque Imports to create this project. Thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to check out bisqueimports.com for a lot of great products. I hope you have happy holidays.